Ladies and gentlemen, after much waiting, the bridge has finally opened up. Phil Foster Park is open for business. Visibility yesterday on the 18th was about 30 foot visibility. Temperature was 79 degrees, mild current. We had striated frogfish all over the place. People with their GoPros, their cameras, having fun in the water. Garden eels were popping their head out of the seagrass. And we had spotted moray eels. We had scorpion fish. The spotted moray eel came and said hi, smiled at the camera, and went back in. What else did we have? We had a wonderful beastman. David Sanchez was out there taking pictures of his nudies, batfish, and of course his wonderful fabelinas. Come and join us. Bridge is open.